Hey Julia, how you doing?
Hello, Mornè, I'm good. What about you?
I'm good, thanks. What are we talking about today?
We're talking about fascinating topic. Why should we switch from Azure Synapse Analytics to Fabric? A lot of people wonder why.
Here I am. So that's a really good question, and I think people kind of mistake it. In the past, we had to look at this upgrade, right? How do I switch from one platform to another? How do I switch from SQL to Synapse, from Synapse to Fabric? And now in Fabric, because Fabric is actually a data platform and not a data warehouse or a database, we don't need to think about the upgrade path or how do we do this upgrade. And what makes this kind of cool is typically it's difficult if you switch from one data platform to another. Because you would have to think about the business use case itself, right? So what's the risk of me moving? And then also what's the benefit? So if you put this business use case forward, people might go like, hey, everything is working. Why do we want to make this switch, right? And that's always, not always, but sometimes that's really difficult to explain and difficult to put down. With Fabric, you can actually just create a shortcut for your Synapse tables right into Fabric itself, and not have to do the migration at all until you're ready to do this, right? So giving you the best of both worlds, so you can use Fabric while still getting access to all your data in Synapse without doing this migration at all, keeping your costs down, giving your business users a better place to do clicky interface where they can actually do citizen developer stuff, so they don't need developers to do stuff for them or SQL people, they can just run this stuff. So overall, the kind of cool thing about Fabric is the ease of use, and it's a platform and it's open and it makes your life much easier without having to go to these costs or these big projects. Thanks. Good question.